Oh, hey guys, it's Cindy from Orange Jungle from Orange, California. Just to let you guys know that I am relocating to Florida. I'm actually in Florida right now, Fort Myers, but we are relocating to Cape Coral. So, taking a little adventure here. We're at the Nature Planetarium in Fort Myers. So I'm just kind of taking a little wild trail walk. As you can see, there's this is the preserve. There is lots of pine trees. There are just cypress trees. There's ferns. You can find air plants. Look at this, guys. Look at these beautiful air plants. You can find Spanish moss. There's loads of palm trees, all sorts of palm, different type of palm. So I really gotta get to know my palm here. And yeah, we're just gonna take a walk. So as I'm doing more of the videos here, I'm gonna show you guys that I'm going to do a lot of foraging here. I'm going to do a lot of Florida plants, Florida native flowers, and just kind of get to know Florida. So if you guys have any suggestion where I should visit or things to do or what to plant, please comment below. Let's just go ahead and do a little tour. I noticed there's eucalyptus tree as well. If you guys are interested in coming to this place, it's $5 for children, I believe 3 and up, and adults, I think 13 and up, or is it 3 and up? I forgot. It's $10. So adults is $10, and the kids are $5. These are the cypress seeds. They're actually roots from the cypress. So you see them here and here. So when you walk, don't trip on them. And also on the center here, there is a Planetarium Show that you can watch. I think it's every 2 to 3 hours they do a showing. There's also animals. I'll insert pictures of like eagles, hawks, snakes, owls that you can see. And there's also 2 gators on this premises named Allie and Al. So it's a boy and a girl, and the lady said they're about 70 years old. Yeah. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Look at this tree. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that. Look at all the, it's just beautiful. I feel like if I was on Naked and Afraid, I can actually sit under here and feel a little home and fire and just stay here for the night. So quiet. Well, minus the car. And you can see little lizards. They're everywhere here. Oh, and there's a butterfly garden. Look at, there's a butterfly right there. And that's a zebra stripe butterfly. Check out all these ferns, guys. And do you know you can eat the ferns as well? You just take the younger shoots. If you're ever alone in the woods. That's a food source. Shh, guys, I'm really nervous now because there are gators on these trails. So we gotta be quiet and conscious. Alright guys, we're gonna leave the wild trail. I did see a gator egg and that kind of like told me like, okay, let's get going now. We're gonna check out another trail there, so let's go. Hey guys, this is where you can see the birds. There are hawks, there are owls, there are also vultures and eagles that you can see. There's an eagle right there. This is the barreled owl. Check out this iguana. They're invasive here, so you can actually, sad to say, shoot them if you want because there's so many. I know some people eat them. So, and also there's a butterfly area. You guys can go in here, and there's so many different butterflies in here. And over there, there is the Pine Pavilion. There's another trail you can look at, but I'm getting hot right now, so we're gonna go back upstairs and check out the was it Planetarium? All right, let's go. And here you guys can see the gators. There's 2 of them in there. Check out the 2 gators right here, guys. Since we're up top now, we can see them. One is female, one is male, and they're about 70 years old. Their name is Al and Allie. So we are at the planetarium. The next show is at 2:15, but I don't think we're gonna make it. I'll show you around. Meteor right? You can actually touch it, feel it. This is a magnet. There's a lot of metal in there. Have lots of information about the galaxy. Little fun facts here. Here's a little piece of, if you ever want to touch a rock from Mars, you can actually touch it. Here's the different types of minerals. So we got pyrites, the calcites, they're in the glass, the amethyst, the gemstones, crystals, different type of meteorites here, and a little information about it. And inside is the auditorium where they actually do the 2:15 showing. It's pretty cool. It's just a dome here.
Can't see.
Well guys, that concludes the tour. So if you guys are in Fort Myers, you guys can check out the Nature Center Planetarium. It's called Calusa Nature and Planetarium Center. $5, $10 for adults, $5 for children. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any recommendations that I go check out here in Fort Myers, Cape Coral, or any surrounding cities, please comment below. And thank you guys for supporting me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in the video. Bye.